to be showing you what's inside my work bag. This is a originally sized tote bag. It literally carries everything I will need for the day. This is how it looks like. It's beige in color with gold leaf detail. I really love this bag. Like, I just think it's so my color. It also comes with this strap that you can always attach it to. It has these things, so you can always attach it to them and like carry it as a shoulder bag. It's not as long to carry it as like a crossbody, plus it wouldn't even fit that crossbody. So the first thing that I always have is my water bottle. I recently got this from Carrefour. Carrefour is just a supermarket here in Kenya. 750 milliliters, so, and it's glass as well. So if you would like, head on to Carrefour. They still have this in stock. I got this from the site. Immediately you open my bag, this is how it looks like from the inside. We have a zipper pocket over here, and then on this other side we just have like two slip-in pockets. Forgive my nails, like they recently came out. So let's start with these two slipper pockets. On the first one I have this is my hand sanitizer. During this epidemic, you wanna be prepared hand sanitizer. And then on the second pocket, we also have paranoia. We also have another hand sanitizer, but it's almost over. That's why I have like two bottles in my bag. And then on this other side, the zipper pocket, we have the first thing that I'm pulling out is you don't want to have like stinky breath, especially after lunch or in the afternoon, that like after you've had your meal. I also have my smells fresh, smells amazing, and then I normally keep it in this clear bag. I have a set of earphones. Sometimes people at work will ask you, can I borrow your earphones? This is the one that I give them. And then I have a pen, comes in handy. And then I also buy gum for my people at work. So if anybody asks me for gum, this is the gum that I give them. But this is mine, so that I don't say I don't have gum and then I don't give you. No, I have gum. I'm going to give you the gum that I have. Okay, so this two pockets are already done. So let's go on to, let me pull out this. This is my hard drive. Sometimes I transfer stuff from my phone to my hard drive. This is how it looks like. It's called my passport. This was my mom's, so this is what I have. I transfer files because sometimes my phone fills up pretty quick. I have such a shit phone, and this is just where I transfer my files. I'll pull those aside, put that there, and then I have lotion for my hands. I recently mixed that lotion and coconut oil, so it smells quite amazing. Just to develop. Yeah. Excuse me. And then I have my reading glasses, 8 hours a day. So this is what I have. These are actually medical glasses, so this is how they look like. They are almost animal print on the, let me just put them on so that like you guys can see. This is how they look like. So yeah, so these are my reading glasses. One, my eyesight is not the best, so I got them from Optica. So you just go there, they'll measure your size and give you the correct glasses. And the pouch is also like collapsible. It can collapse, like you don't have to see how it looks like, but when you put your glasses, this is how it does look like. So I love it. That also applies for my sunglasses. This casing, it was gifted to me, so I think maybe it was for Christmas, or I think it was for Christmas. I was gifted this, so I just use it to carry my sunglasses. And these are my sunglasses. The dark brown in color with the gold rim. How it looks at the back, that's how it looks. Forgive my water bottles. Oh wow. So this is how my sunglasses are. This was gifted to me by my employer, so I actually do love them. Like, block out the shade, block out the hate, like at the same time makes you look fab. So yeah, but I also have another one that I normally have. This one's on the days that I kind of feel like bougie, not bougie really, because like I have really bougie glasses. So this one, but I have other ones, so let me just show you. These are my everyday glasses. I love these glasses so much. Like, I just feel like it gives me boosting confidence every time. Like, I mean, girl. Yeah, actually I think maybe I'm gonna continue doing, no, I can't, but I love these. These I got from town for 200 bob. These are just like the regular 200 bob that I'm wearing. They're 200 bob. Got them in town, street in town, so you can always walk and see what kind they've got. They have really bougie glasses and like the normal kind of glasses, so depending on what your type is. But I love these. They're just like it's all plastic basically, and they spoil pretty quick. Well, that's what 200 will get you. So this is how it looks. The back looks like so. The next thing I'm pulling out from my bag is this small pouch which houses my umbrella. My dog is afraid of umbrellas. Just wait and see. See? So I have my umbrella. And then I have my wallet. This is my everyday wallet. I love it. I also got this in town. I think it's beige, like a tan. Yeah. And I remember I told you like I also have like another set of earphones recently gotten from Miniso. They're pink in color. These things are amazing. Like, they block out the noise. This is for the people who borrow me earphones. This amount personally. Then I have a notebook. It's just like a diary. It houses a lot of things, like lists for the month. It has my notes about ideas that I have, or maybe like where I need to be sometimes. So maybe I'm in a meeting with my family members who normally have. Then we have this slim pocket pouch that comes with the bag. If you buy this bag, you get the bag and this. So in here it's written DIOR. In here I just have my, so don't let it catch you slipping. Don't be that girl that's like, can I borrow, though it's not bad, I'm not saying it's bad, it's not bad, but like it's always good to just have something in your purse for those oops moments. I have my makeup bag. This bag was my grandmother's or my aunt's, I don't know. So, and it's literally falling apart. So the first thing that I have is compact powder. I have this, where is it? I have this perfume, it's a cherry blossom perfume. Oh my god, smells divine. Then I have this Boss Lady, wait, I've seen people do this. It's Boss Lady. It's a lippy from Canvas Cosmetics. I love them. It smells, let me just, it smells like chocolate. It smells like good kind of fruity chocolate. This is in the shade Boss Lady. Then you can never over moisturize. I have another Nivea lip balm. I have this refillable perfume. This is C when you've forgotten to put on a little something. Then I have this brush. I have this brush as well. I love this brush. It's for my powder. I love it. It's really, really amazing. I think it was like 250 or 200 from Dubois. And then my bouncy wet wipes. You always are going to need wet wipes. I was put on this wet wipes by a friend of mine called Grace. She always had wet wipes with her, so I also got that habit. So yeah, so that's basically all that's in my bag, my work bag. Yeah, there's nothing inside other than a 1 shilling. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.